Hello guys, welcome. We're doing Infinite World. Last time my audio was broken. Now we need to fix it. Now we need to play. Oh well, just not turn new game. Yes. Normal mode as usual. Using the blue one as the original FNAF users. You need for there. We need there. Or the duty, done. I knew I feel like going taking a stroll, but something seems very wrong today. Soul is not running animatronic village. Villatronica, we are working on it. The point is that something is horribly wrong. There have been bizarre creatures roaming around lately, even some that look like us. We weren't prepared to deal with situation like this. Something bad must have happened on the flip side. Yeah, Chipper has gone haywire. It was been scaring all day. Still foxy, but more yard. Your part begins. Being a part always between. Here's my baby. Acquire baby. He's acquire baby. Don't judge him. Okay. It's more loud in by rock and low. Roll. Yay. Starting new adventure. Yes. Alright. We're in Fazbear Village. Alright, that just scared me a lot. Okay. Switch to the toys. Prize ball, niggas. Beat song. Birthday. Poppers. Best jam. Party favors. Water hose. Alright. I think I found a clue that what's happening. Look behind me. There is a tree that is distorted and glitched. You don't. Yeah, Freddy. You don't know as much as I do, but I will tell you to the safe haven. The sanctuary, whatever has gone wrong. We have to fix it. It will be an adventure. Something horrible must happen on the flip side, because it's causing the world fracture. Objects like me behind me have broken. But I think you can use these fractures to place you couldn't reach before. You have to go to find source of these fractures. JJ. I'm not going there. You racist. Oh sure, right there. There you go. Let's do it. Yay! Fazbear tokens. I'm not going there anymore. I'm going. What? Pizza wheel. Party favors. Papi jam. Hot cheese. Birthday. I need birthday. This will be prize ball, nigga. Mike. Party favors. Bath jam. Cupcake. Speed song. Poppers. Prize ball. Water hose. Ah, shit. Oh, envelope. Pizza will be good. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you like this video. Seriously, guys, I really like playing with you guys. I know this is a new game slot. Ah, I'll continue the game on Thursday or somehow. I'll continue. Bye, guys. I love you guys. Be a party like a bro.